Tonight we're back at Éco-Odyssée in Quebec to show you their ice maze. It's all lit up for LED fun. Let's go. If you like cool and unique finds, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, please. Okay, lock her up.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
It's filming already.
This thing doesn't like the cold. I love the Harry Potter music.
Dude, that doesn't sound right. But it's cold enough to be not falling through. Yeah. Whoa, slippery. Hey!
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
How are you? I'm good, thanks. First day we're open.
I know, we're excited. And here's the skate rink. Cat's going on it. And you can see our little accommodation up on top of the hill. And this is Olivier. He's just part of the master behind the project that we've stayed at. And he designed our little abode up there and has so many awesome visions. Thanks for having us.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
So happy.
Yeah.
I love this place.
Awesome. After you skate, there's a campfire and hot chocolate and coffee. So you can take your pick. Yay! Campfire is gold. Little campfire.
It's really nice that you guys are like, you know, having nice and warm stuff. This place is super cool. So.
We've done our overnight and skating experience here at Eco-Odyssée. We got our hot chocolates at our campfire, and they also do coffee. And we had the best time. It's a brother and sister duo, and they are running a really amazing show here, and it's just going to grow and grow and grow. So come and check it out.
Yeah.
For more cool and unique finds like this, please like and subscribe.